On this beautiful Sunday, we are making cupcakes, HEB brand. We are baking with who? Who are you?
Me.
What's your name?
Taylor.
Taylor and Tanya. So, say hi.
Hi.
We have poured in the, I guess the, well, she has
The powder thing.
the powder thing, the cake mix, the powder thing. Where did we get that from? So we have a visitor. I don't know why he's behind us, but we just poured in the cake mix. She's ready to put those sprinkles on her what? Cupcake. Baking with TTNT. So, how many eggs do you need?
3.
3. Are you going to crack them in there?
Yeah.
Or you want me to do it?
You're going to do
No,
one.
I'm okay. Well, you do it first. Come on. Crack.
Oh.
No shell in it, please. Whoop. 1 egg. Harder. Ooh. Last one.
Oh, it's ready already.
It's ready already. Good deal.
Oh, this is heavy.
Yes, it is heavy.
Oh, get.
Come on, pick it up. Up. Okay, good deal. Now we have water, eggs, and cake mix. She is ready to do her little stirring. Now we have to add some.
Vinegar.
It's oil. She is doing some stirring. Oh, bro, come on.
Oh my God, it's done already.
It's not done already.
Look at the egg.
It's mixing well. Come on, keep mixing.
It's looking yellow.
Duh, it's gonna be yellow for a little bit. I think.
Oh my God, look at this. No.
How's it taste?
It tastes like cake.
I have to say it like that. Just butter the pan.
Okay, that's your move.
So we are adding sprinkles to the cake mix.
Oh, good.
She's dramatic. Come on, pour them in there.
Oh my God.
Hopefully it doesn't burn.
Too much.
It's fine. There we go. Good stir. All right. We got our little cake mixes in there. It's good. We'll see how pretty they look when they come out.
I see.
Looking good.
Take me to the king. Truth is I'm tired. Options are few. Hey, I try to pray, but where are you? Where are you? I'm on church ground.
Looking good. Taylor, come here. Come here. Huh? What you think?
I like it.
I know. They're almost done. All right. Let's see how pretty you gonna make it.
I don't know how to do it.
That's why you gotta teach yourself sometimes.
I need help, Mama.
Oh, you need help? Let's see. Uh-oh. Flickery. Don't do that. You go, girl.
Ew.
Why are you saying ew?
God, it's in my fingers.
Look good.
My shirt.
Sprinkle time. They look perfect, Taylor.
Thank you.
They look perfect. Give me a smile. There you go.